If there's one thing you make to celebrate fall this year, let it be this loaded fall salad. Instead of croutons for crunch, we're gonna add crispy smashed Parmesan carrots. We'll basically pop those in the microwave until they're soft. You could also steam them if you want. Once they're soft, take a cup and smash them until they're flat. And we'll add chickpeas because that's just how we do it around here. Drizzle it with some olive oil and then add your seasonings and bake. Once everything's almost done cooking, you're gonna add Parmesan on top of those carrots. That's gonna cook into crispy, savory deliciousness. And in case you couldn't tell, this is my favorite part of the recipe, but it also has some other really great things going for it. It's got a pomegranate vinaigrette that you just shake together in a jar. It's kind of sweet, kind of tart, and it balances out those bitter Brussels sprouts because yes, there's a shredded Brussels sprout base to this salad. Now, if you haven't had Brussels sprouts like this before, I encourage you to try it because it's so much better than you would think. And at that point, all your major components are ready, so just layer in some arugula, add in that shredded Brussels sprouts, those crispy smashed carrots and chickpeas, and the rest. I like to add apples, feta cheese, dried cranberries, and that pomegranate vinaigrette. Because of the Brussels sprout base, this one holds up really well in the fridge for a few days, so it's great for meal prep. I cannot wait for you to try it. Happy eating!